And I think I'm gonna make the sky, guys, dark gray, so that everything will be focused on this part. Okay, so that will be my plan. And if you wanna paint with me, guys, just follow everything I'm gonna do in this tutorial. Okay, I think that's too dark. And I'm gonna add more white. So I'm gonna paint the sky first with some white, and so I'm gonna make the sky dark, guys. It's gonna be a cloudy day with some sunlit or some sunlights on the center of the painting. Okay, so just follow what I'm doing, guys. Okay, there. Okay, so next I'm going to do the background of the waterfalls, and I'm gonna make it a little like brownish, yeah, brownish color. So I'm gonna use this again, guys, this violet here with some yellow to make it a little brown or brownish. I'm going to add more blue and yellow and more red. I think that's too much. I'm going to add some blue color with a little amount of yellow and some white. More white. Okay, then let's add some background here. Okay, that's it. So you have now the mountains. And next we need to add the reflections. I'm gonna do the reflections first before we can add the details here. Okay, so I'm thinking waterfalls. Oh, the reflection, guys, would be something like this of this color, but I'm gonna make it lighter. That's it. Okay, so here another reflections. It doesn't matter, guys, if the color is not the same to the top. You can actually add some highlights. It will be the same later, but you can also copy this color, guys. That's okay, that's fine. That can be that's okay. So sorry, guys, the mixtures is from the red, yellow and black with some more white to make some highlights. I'm going to add some yellow here, some more yellow and white, more white. Okay, so I'm going to add some highlights here. So do it carefully, guys, and you should position your filbert brush like this so that you can add smaller details. Let's add some more white. Okay, so you have now some highlights on our mountain, and here also let's add some more highlights there. Add more. So do it carefully, guys, and don't overdo it. Always remember that. Make more spaces, leave some more dark, and make sure that the highlights is on the tip of your brush to create the thin lightest or the whitest color. Okay, just do it slowly and don't hurry, guys. And you want to make a masterpiece, you should wait and hurry. And don't know, I'm sorry, guys, don't hurry or just do it slowly. That's what I mean. And I'm gonna mix for bluish gray, so I'm gonna use this blue here with some black and white. I'm gonna add some more black and white. More white here and more white. So let's put the waterfalls here. Let's put the gray first, guys, before we're going to add some more highlights. Okay, so just do the strokes from top to bottom or vice versa. Okay, and let's have some misty waves here, or I don't know what you call that, guys. Some misty just like a spray of waters on the base of the waterfalls. So let's add it here, and here let's add some rocks. Lots of rocks here. And I'm gonna use the white, guys, the pure white, the purest of the purest white, of the whitest. And I'm going to add some white here, highlights. You can use your fingers to smudge. Okay, that's it. So we have now the waterfalls. I'm going to add more white here. Okay, that's it. We have now the waterfalls, and that's very nice. So here, guys, red, yellow, and white. Okay, it's like a flagstone, guys. I think we add a little black. Okay, so here, and I'm going to add here. I'm going to add more white. Okay, just do it slowly, guys, carefully. Okay, just copy everything you see on top so that you can have a realistic, I'm sorry, guys, my dog is very noisy. A vertical strokes from top to bottom to create the reflections. That's it. And I'm going to add some more highlights, guys, or white. More white here with some yellow and more white to make these highlights lighter, darker. Okay, and use the tapping or punching and put it on top of each dark colors, guys. I'm using the filbert brush, guys, and just use tapping technique there. Okay, and some more highlights with yellow. And of course, let's add some colorful trees, some green trees, guys. So I'm gonna use here the green color, and let's do again the punching here. And now let's add the reflection, which is our final approach, or final thing we need to do in this painting. Okay, I'm gonna use this number 8 flat brush, guys, and let's add the reflections. So I'm going to copy everything I see on the top. So I see some greens, so I'm gonna use this green color here. So just the stroke, guys, should be from top to bottom. I like the reflection. It really looks like realistic. Some white reflections here. No, some white water disturbance. Okay, and here just a straight lines, guys. Okay, so I think I am done, guys, with my painting tutorial, and I think I am very pleased with the result today. I like it, I love it. So yes, I'm going to move up to see the entire view. Okay, see, I think this painting, guys, is very nice. See, love it. Okay, so I think I am done, guys, with my tutorial on how to paint this simple landscape painting with the waterfalls and some trees and mountains. Okay, I hope you learned something today, guys, if you are painting with me. So my advice, guys, is to keep on practicing, keep on painting. The more you do it, the more you know how to use your colors, the more you know how to mix mix the colors and use your brush. That's one of the most important thing, guys, in learning how to paint. And good luck, guys, in your painting journey, and paint more, paint every day. So that's one of the thing that you should do to improve. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Please hit like, add some comments, and subscribe for more videos in the future. And thank you, guys. Have a nice day, and God bless you all.